Now we see a parallel combinations. So in a parallel combinations, we take a two or more spring as like this. First spring, second spring, and both end of the springs attach a common point at one end attach a common rigid support and another end attach a block which have mass m. First spring have force constant K1 and the second spring have a force constant K2. So due to a common stretching force, extension produces in both springs is the same, that is E, that is also E. Extension is the same in both springs in parallel combinations. So stretching force is equal to what? F it is equal to K1 E, and in that situation or in that spring F it is equal to K2 E. Means extension is the same and stretching force is F it is equal to K1 E and F it is equal to K2 E. That whole system can be replaced by a single equivalent system as like this. Then force constant means K equivalent in parallel combination is equal to force constant in a first spring K1 plus K2, means K equivalent is equal to, means force constant in a parallel combination is equal to sum of a force constant, or that is sum of the two force constant. Means we write force constant is equal to sum of two force constant, sum of two force constant. If we take the ith number of springs, then K equivalent in a parallel series is equal to K1 plus K2 plus K3 plus K4 and continue so on. As like this, we take a summation of I into force constant of ith number of springs, that is a Ki, summation of Ki. So that is the formula for finding out the force constant in a parallel combinations. Suppose we take a m number of m, suppose we take m is a mass which spring is identical or massless, then force constant Kp in parallel combination is equal to m into K. Remember that formula also, it is very important. Also, if we take a situation as like this, suppose we take a block and both end of a block attach a spring, as like this, and another end of the spring, both end of the spring connected a rigid support. Suppose we see situation as like this, this situation it is also called as a parallel situations or parallel combinations. So in that situation the mass of the block is m. If block is displaced, then what happen? Extension produces on the right side or left side is same, and restoring force it is opposite to that displacement in that spring. So restoring force is opposite to that displacement. It means if block is displaced or extended, in the left side, then F acting toward the mean positions, means it is opposite to that displacement. So F it is equal to minus kx in this way. Suppose extension acting in this direction, then force acting toward the mean position, or it is opposite to that extension or opposite to that displacement, say. So that's why extension is same. In that situation extension is also same. So this situation it is also called as a parallel situation. So extension same, and in that situation F it is equal to, suppose we take first spring K1, force constant K1, and second spring is a K2, then in that situation F it is equal to K1E, and in the second F it is equal to K2E, means extension in both spring is the same. So this is also called as a parallel situation. In that K in a parallel combination is equal to K1 plus K2. Now we are finding out the periodic time. So we know that the periodic formula of periodic time in a parallel combination of the spring T is equal to 2 pi under root of m upon k in a parallel. So we get T is equal to 2 pi, and we know that the under root of m upon kp means it is a combination, sum of a combination of a force constant m upon k1 plus k2. So by this formula we are finding out the periodic time in a parallel combination of springs. So T is equal to 2 pi under root of m upon k1 plus k2. So that is said to be a m upon under root of m upon kp. So T is equal to 2 pi under root of m upon k1 plus k2. That is the formula for periodic time in a parallel combination of springs, and force constant is a sum of that is a K equivalent is a sum of two force constant, means that is a sum of force constant is a K equivalent in a parallel combinations. So that is the situation of parallel combinations. Suppose instead of this we take a horizontal situation of that combination as like this. Suppose we take two spring parallel, and both spring attach a common point, at one end attach a mass which, and another end attach a rigid support. It have a spring constant K1, or second spring have a constant K2. So in that situation extension produces both spring is the same. So that situation it is also called as a parallel situation. In that situation we find out the K equivalent in parallel combination is equal to sum of two force constant K1 plus 2 K1 Kp is equal to K1 plus K2. So this is a parallel combination about it.